Out to Ben. Yes, guys, this is a killer hack. We got the impact driver. This is a brand new Gen 3 impact driver. We got the high-speed ratchet. We got two batteries. These are two 2-amp-hour batteries, M12 charger. Guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we could buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. All right, so we got the contractor bag, charger, two batteries, the hex impact driver, quarter-inch impact driver. That's the new Gen 3. We got the high-speed 3/8 ratchet. Black Friday deal. Buy one, get one free, guys. Yes, $249 is down from $492. You guys go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're going to be able to select this battery. So $79 value here. Let's add it to the cart, see what we get. So $59.97 for the battery. That's not a bad deal, but check this out. $189, guys. $189 for a high-speed ratchet and the impact driver. Two batteries, a charger, and a bag. Killer deal. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Big shout out to Ben at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.